Welcomes in Pushpa's tutorial. Today we are learn the subject Science and Technology Standard 9th English Medium State Board. Chapter number 1st Laws of Motion. Previously we learned the various types of terms related to motions, that is distance, displacement, speed, velocity, etc. Also we learn about various examples related to motions. Today we are learn these terms applied on a certain example. How can apply it on certain example and how can calculate the speed and velocity related to motion. Here I draw a figure, that is location of school and houses. Here it is the house of Sheetal and Prashant. Here the house of Sangeeta's house, and it is school. Okay. Here along path A the distance is 500 meter. Along path B the distance is 1200 meter, and along this minimum distance is 1300 meter. To travel Sheetal this path A or 500 meter distance take 5 minutes. Sheetal reached to the Sangeeta's house within 5 minutes, and both the Sheetal and Sangeeta's go to the school in 24 minutes. And Sheetal when direct reached to the school in 29 minutes and cover the distance of 1300 meter. Now we have to calculate the speed of Sheetal along path A, speed of Sheetal and Sangeeta along path B, and speed of Sheetal along path C. Okay, this we have to calculate, and then finally we have to calculate the velocity of Sheetal to reach the school. Get it? Okay. Now look here. We know about the definition of speed. What is the definition of speed? Speed is the ratio of distance to the time. Distance taken an object to reach the one point to another point. Travel by a straight line by an object from one point to another point. Okay. So I put this formula here. Sheetal's speed along path A is equal to distance upon time. What is the distance of Sheetal's and Sangeeta's house? In between, the distance is 500 meter along path A. I take here 500 meter. Then what is the time taken to complete or to cover this distance by Sheetal? 5 minutes. I write here 5 minutes. Okay. Then the ratio of 500 to 5 is equal to 100. 5 ones are 5, 0, 0. That is 100. 100 meter per minute, because of distance is in meter and time is in minutes. That is why here the unit of speed is meter per minute. That is 100 meter per minute. Okay. Next, what is the speed along path B of Sheetal and Sangeeta? Sheetal and Sangeeta both goes to the school to cover the distance of 1200 meter along path B. Here again I take Sheetal's speed along path B is equal to same or speed formula, distance upon time, that will equal to 1200 meter divided by time taken to complete or to cover this distance is 24 minutes. I take here 24. Okay. 24 ones are 24. 24 fives are 120. 0. This one 0. This will become 50. 50 meter per minute. When I divide 1200 by 24, I get answer 50 minute per minute. minute. Meter per minute. This is the Sheetal speed along path B. Then what is the average? What is the average speed of Sheetal along path A and B? Sheetal takes 5 minutes to complete 500 meter distance and take 24 minutes to complete 1200 meter distance. But what is the average speed of Sheetal? Here I find out. I take a total of distance and total of time taken to cover this distance. Here 500 plus 1200, then 5 plus 24. Total is 700 upon 29. 24 plus 5, 29. I divide 1700 by 29. Here I show here. Divided by 700. 1700. 29 ones are 29. 29 twos are 58. 29 threes are 87. 29 fours are 116. 29 fives are 145. 29 six are 174. 29 sevens are 203. Okay. 29 eights are 232. 29 nines are 261. 29 tens are 290. Okay. This is the table of 29. You can write on the rough side of paper. Then divide this 1700 by 29. You get here. I take a 3-digit number 170 and look at in table of 29 less or nearest to the 170 number. What is the nearest number to the 170 in the 29 table? That is 145, which is at 5th place. Okay, I take here 5 and write here 145. Okay, now subtract it. 0, 10, 10 minus 5, 5. 1 take outside. 7 minus 5 again 0. 1 minus 1 0. I take 0. Then what is the nearest number to the 250? Again 250. Again this one is, which is at 8th place. I write here 8. Write here 232. Then subtract it. 10 minus 2, 8. 1, 0. Here 18 is, remainder is 18. Our remainder should be within 10. That is why again I divide here by taking a decimal point. Okay. What is the nearest number to the 180 in the 29 table? And this one is 174 at the 6th place in the 29 table. And the remainder is what? 6. Now I stop here. What is the average speed of Sheetal? That is 58.6 meter per minute. Means Sheetal covers this total distance with what, how many average speed? 58.6 meter per minute. म्हणजेच काय तर एका मिनिटाला 58.6 मीटर एवढं डिस्टन्स शीतलने कव्हर केलं. ओके, आता इथे बघा, आता हे डिस्टन्स किती आहे टोटल 500 प्लस 1200 1700 आणि ती डायरेक्ट जेव्हा तिच्या घरातून शाळेत जाते तेव्हा ती 1300 मीटर इतकं डिस्टन्स कव्हर करते. मग आपली डिस्प्लेसमेंटची डेफिनेशन काय बघितली आपण मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये. डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द मिनिमम डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल्ड बाय अन ऑब्जेक्ट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट टू फिनिशिंग पॉइंट. म्हणजे जे मिनिमम डिस्टन्स असेल त्या मिनिमम डिस्टन्सलाच म्हटलं जातं डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, सो दिस इज अवर डिस्प्लेसमेंट. 1300 इज अवर डिस्प्लेसमेंट. आणि जर आपल्याकडे डिस्प्लेसमेंट असेल तर आपण काय काढतो त्याची व्हेलॉसिटी काढतो. बिकॉज व्हेलॉसिटी इज रिलेटेड टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट अँड द स्पीड इज रिलेटेड टू डिस्टन्स. ही एक गोष्ट अगदी फिट करून ठेवा डिस्टन्स अँड डिस्प्लेसमेंट मधली. जेव्हा डिस्टन्स म्हणतो तेव्हा स्पीड येतो आणि जेव्हा डिस्प्लेसमेंट म्हणतो तेव्हा व्हेलॉसिटी येतो. दोघांचं ही युनिट सेम आहे, मीटर पर सेकंड, मीटर पर मिनिट. ओके, नाउ वी कॅल्क्युलेट द व्हेलॉसिटी ऑफ शीतल. What is the velocity of Sheetal? Displacement upon time. What is the displacement covered by Sheetal? 1300. And the time required to complete this displacement is 29. Again, divide 29 by 1300 here. Divide 29. Here also I take a 3-digit number 130. Take a nearest number to the 130 by table 29. What is the nearest number to the 130? 4. 4th place. Okay. 116. Then subtract 4, 1, 0. Again 4th place. 116. Right? 4, 2. This is also greater than 10. That is why I taken decimal. Again 240. 48. 232. Okay, here the reminder is less than 10. That is why I stop here. Then what is the velocity of Sheetal? What? 44.8 meter per minute. म्हणजेच काय, ती एका मिनिटाला 44.8 मीटर एवढे डिस्टन्स कव्हर करते. मला वाटते तुमचं स्पीड आणि व्हेलॉसिटी मधलं बेसिक कन्सेप्ट आता क्लिअर झालं असेल. पुढील लेक्चरमध्ये आपण पुढचा भाग पाहू. पण त्यासाठी तुम्ही आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा म्हणजे तुम्हाला ते नोटिफिकेशन लगेच येईल. थँक्यू.